Standard 3rd English, lesson number 35, Pinocchio. In the last session we have seen the wicked master has not thrown that Pinocchio in the fire, and he spared the other puppet's life also. Now in this session we will see what the puppet master did actually. The puppet master was not really a wicked master. He left both the puppets go. Not only that, he also gave Pinocchio 5 gold coins. How many coins? 5 gold coins for his old father Geppetto when he heard his story. Now, did Pinocchio take these coins to Geppetto immediately? No. The silly little puppet that he was. Pinocchio was a silly little puppet. He got into more and more mischief and trouble due to the coins. A kind fairy saved Pinocchio from the robbers who had caught Pinocchio for the coins. So on the way robbers caught Pinocchio for the coins. And who saved? A kind fairy saved Pinocchio. But when the fairy asked Pinocchio about the coins, he lied to her. He lied. But then a strange thing happened. The moment Pinocchio told a lie, his nose grew longer. Look here, his nose is growing longer. With every lie, it grew longer and longer. Pinocchio was really frightened. What is happening to his nose? He asked the fairy to forgive him and promised never to tell lies again. So he just regretted for his lies, and he promised fairy not to tell lies again. Pinocchio did not learn to tell the truth or listen to the good advice. But as Pinocchio was a little silly puppet, so he is not ready to tell the truth or listen to the good advice of his friends and his father and the fairy easily. So at the end of a number of adventures, do you know where he found himself? At the bottom of the sea. At the bottom of the sea he found himself. And how? Let us find out how he found himself. And there he was swallowed by a big shark. He was swallowed by a big shark that was 1 mile long. A very big shark. Poor Pinocchio. Now at last he was truly sorry for all the foolish things that he had done. But once you get into a difficulty, it is not very easy to get out of it. It's not very easy. Once you are in difficulty, it's not very easy to get out of it. However, inside the stomach of the shark, Pinocchio saw a faint light. A light was there inside the stomach of a shark. When he went near the light, so Pinocchio went near the light inside the stomach of the shark. Surprise of surprises, he found Geppetto. Now how Geppetto came there? We will see. Geppetto had been worried about Pinocchio since he had left home. So Geppetto had been worried about Pinocchio since he had left home. He had searched for Pinocchio far and wide. So he was searching Pinocchio every year and then. So during that time, during the search, the shark had swallowed the ship on which Geppetto was travelling. With great effort and courage, Pinocchio took himself and Geppetto out of the shark's stomach. So Pinocchio tried, and with his great efforts he took himself and the Geppetto out of the shark's stomach. He carried Geppetto back to the shore. After that, Pinocchio really proved to be a good boy. After that, Pinocchio really proved to be a good boy. He began to work very hard to help Geppetto. When he heard that the fairy was ill, he sent her all the money that he was saving for himself. And then, to his joy and amazement, he found himself that he had turned into a real boy. So now Pinocchio has turned into a real boy. So we should not tell lies in our life. So we will be a good person one day. Thank you.